Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. This is called So Uplifting by GABOR. And I just want to give you a spin about this. So she's a short number. Let's look at the inside. So this just came a couple days ago, and so exciting to see a new style that's, to be a first adapter or a first wearer of this. So she's freshly out of the box. Inside, we have the same adjustable tabs. These are Velcro. And you can see it's open wefted. There's a defined parting area here. And then the lace front, which is gorgeous. That's what makes the hair look like it's coming out of my scalp. So let's put her on. You can see I've kind of lined up my hair grip so that the part's on that side. And as always, we dive our forehead into the cap first and then pull her on. And at first it's always, it seems like it won't look good, but it does. Just give it a minute. So what I like to do is take the tabs, the ear tabs on either side. And this is a new style by GABOR. The color is Shaded Biscuit, which is one of my favorite colors. And this is almost exactly like my own hairstyle. If I had this much hair, but I really sadly do not have this much hair. But again, really pretty. I kind of like to do this. Excuse the blowers in the background. It must be why they picked this day to blow, I don't know, but that's what you hear, the little drone in the back. I love the hairline. Kind of reminds me of Mrs. Brady from the Brady Bunch. But look at the hairline. What do you think? Gorgeous, isn't she? Shaded Biscuit, new style by GABOR, called So Uplifting. And you could mess her up if you wanted to, make her a little more, freeform. I kind of tend to wear my short numbers kind of pieced out like this. And you saw how quickly that was. We just kind of shook her and then put her on. Gorgeous. Love her. Let me know your thoughts. Cheers.